let's get to doing some maintenance. We're doing a little maintenance today. I just messed up the last recording clip because it was recording sideways. So anyways, we're doing some maintenance. Got a turn signal that's kind of finicky, and got a brake light that's out. And we'll try to find a few other things. And yeah, we'll go from there and see what else happens. It's pretty clean. I just washed it the other day. The interior is a little dirty, as you saw, but I work at a mechanic shop wearing boots all day. It's going to be a little dirty inside. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the culprit turn signal. That one doesn't want to work. And we have a brake light out somewhere over here. So we're going to take them off, get into it, and see what bulbs it needs. Okay, so in classic JDM fashion, these are 10 mils. Here and here. Tried to do this one-handed, but I might just jump cut because you really don't want to be losing any bolts and nuts in the engine bay of an MR2. So I think you have only 2 bolts on this. I don't know. There's another weird looking screw thing right back there, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so that's 2 there. We might have more. So there's this little thing right here. It's like a push-in tab, and it clicks into one of these 2 pieces over here. So, also up top, I don't know what these are called officially, but they're kind of like they mushroom at the top. So once you pop these off of these little like mushroom retainers, it'll be wiggly, and then it'll be connected by this little black piece right there. A good little palm slap to the side is what breaks them out. This is our problem child. So we're gonna take this bulb out and inspect it and see. It could be the connector as well. I'm not gonna lie to you. There we go. Okay. Oh no, that's the bulb. That bulb, I don't know if you can see it. It's got some cracking right down at the bottom there. But if it isn't the bulb, that's a good indicator that it is the connector, or there's some kind of loose connection, because it sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. So something's allowing the connection to close and be a closed circuit. But anyways, I will go replace the bulb and let you know. While we're back there, we might as well get these as well. I don't know what this bulb is called yet. I gotta go look it up in our room. But I'm gonna go replace both of these and let you know which one it is. So I think I have the right ones this time. Yep, okay, so that's the right ones. 7443 was not the right ones. Let's see. Now this one doesn't want to go in. Did I have the right one for this one? Are you kidding me? Are they 2 different bulbs? Oh, they totally are. So 7443 was right for one of them and not the other. Alright, this one is the correct one for this side. There we go. So they take 2 different bulbs. I'll get the bulb names in a minute. Okay, that's done. There we go. Get them lined up. There we go. Back into the mushroom clips. Pop in. Socket. Well, I thought it was. Jesus, nothing can go right today. So this isn't even the right bulb either. Alright, I guess I'm SOL. Upon further inspection, I don't have the turn signal bulb. They are completely the wrong ones, and I'm going to show you why. So, if you look at this bulb from head on, it has a knob up top and a knob at the bottom, but they are not straight up and down. This one is slightly in the more like 7 o'clock position, while this one is at 12. The rest of them are 12 and 6. This one is slightly different. So, I'm going to gather all the information I need, probably get them tomorrow, put them in, and update you on what bulbs are the right option, because kind of flop, honestly. This car has 2 different brake light bulbs right next to each other for no reason. So that was an adventure. I still got all the bulbs. One's a 7443, and hold on, I'll tell you the other one. So one is a 7443, and the other one is a 7440N. 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 Those are the brake light bulbs for the bottom of the brake lamp assembly. For the right rear turn signal is this bulb, which I have to figure out what it is, and I will let you know. So, for me, that's tomorrow. For you, that's right now. Alright, I'm back, day 2. I know, I screwed it up. I screwed everything up. I'm back at my house again. 210 mils. Here. And here. There's a car coming. Acura TL, to be specific. And a Mercedes E-Class. Damn. Didn't realize we were in a rich neighborhood. I don't live in a rich neighborhood. Okay. Do a little wiggly. Give her a little. Don't do that. There we go. Okay. See, she only likes to be treated gentle. Alright, so here's the turn signal. This one right here. A little bit of a twisty. It's not the turn signal, it's the brake bulb. I fucked it up. But that one's actually going to need to be replaced soon, too. Interesting. More stuff you know. Okay, so here's the bulb. Go ahead and twist her. Yeah, you can see that bulb's pretty hazy in there. So we're going to go ahead and put the new bulb in. Oh, God, this is hard to do one-handed. Pop her in, twist her. It's got like a spring in the bottom, so it's easy. And boom. Twist to tighten. And she's in. I don't know what that middle bulb is for, though. Have to figure that out. Ooh, oh, that's a really loose connection. With the tab broken off. Cool, we'll explore that in another video. So yeah, that's taillights. Thanks, bye. Hibiscus Motorsports. Hibiscus Motorsports. Hibiscus Motorsports.